Welcome one, welcome all to the Comics Culture and Cosplay stream. I'm your host as always. My name is Kevin, and I want to welcome everyone back while our main show, the Comics Culture and Cosplay podcast, takes the week off in commemoration of the Jewish New Year. Rosh Hashanah, yeah. A few of our cast members are of the Semitic persuasion, myself included. I had a nice little holiday, so we're taking a week off to refresh. And yeah, the stream's still on though, obviously, as you can clearly see. But before we get started with the first half of tonight's stream, I want to take a second to pay some bills and give a big shout out to our podcast's home away from home, the Fandom Lim Media Podcast Network. You can find them on fandomlim.com. You can find our shows as well as other great podcasts such as Dad's Doing Nerd Shit, The Underground Nerd Nation, Table Reads, A Square Round Table, Reroll Expectations, The Nooniverse, and so much more. So, as always, and if you're new to the CCC stream, how I kind of structure everything is every Wednesday, 6:30 p.m. Central, I hop on and we're going to do two parts, right? We've got an hour of, well, something random, whatever I kind of feel like. I'm coming off of work, been driving for a while, I'm a little exhausted, so I need something to steady my nerves and chat with you guys over. So today that's going to be Red Faction Guerrilla ReMarstered, which is a game that I've played once or twice. I think the last time I played this was on the Xbox 360. It has been actual years, and what this game is kind of known for, at least as far as I remember, it's not just made by the creators of Saints Row. No, it's not just an open-world Mars game in which you are a leftist guerrilla fighter. No, every structure in this game is destructible with a freaking hammer. So, I honestly don't care what the plot is for this game at all. Let's get to smashing. Let's go. But I want to see, what's this Wrecking Crew thing? This is new. What is this? Multiplayer mode. That's fun. That's fun. Maybe one day, when I get friends. Okay, let's begin. How remastered could this be? I'm gonna have to look up when this game actually came out originally. But I'm gonna guess. Chad, I'm gonna guess it came out in 2007 because that's the memeiest year of the 2000s, apparently.
Mining engineer. Demolitions class C. Report to Parker sector.
2009. Okay, not quite.
Fun ride? Yeah.
I don't know if they remastered the cutscenes.
How's Mom?
I really don't think they did. Which is fair. You know, put your money and budget into where it matters, which is hopefully gameplay and actually in-game graphics. But
Sorry,
man, this just looks like Arizona.
Hard.
This place just looks like Arizona. That's it.
The system. What the hell was that? The EDF. They own the road and everything else.
Oh, that really was like my commute.
Free Mars is
I can't tell you who I was, them or the oncoming people, but it was like that on my drive home, more or less. JK, just kidding.
Enough people died the last time?
We're under martial law here. Prison
Martial
camps,
law.
torture, death squads.
Oh.
People need something to believe in.
Like, why would you want to live on Mars, though? Like, besides the whole... Like, say a colony's been started up and now living on Mars...
You got your gear over there.
Is like an option,
So
right?
here's how it works. It'll be a couple of weeks before you...
Why would you go? Like, for the views? It's for the trip, man.
Like I was saying, the sooner we get to work, the sooner we get paid. Come on.
And what is it you say you do here, exactly? Yeah, you load, Parker. You go, Parker. Load, Parker. I love that for you. Love that for you, Parker. Okay, well, it certainly looks remastered. Oh.
Here's the site I was telling you about.
Wow.
It was a research outpost once. Before the Marauders.
This is bleak. Good lord.
You don't want to be caught out here after dark. But it's a good place to find salvage.
Okay. Ah, yes, Minecraft. That's what you all came here for, right?
Sledgehammer and charges? Good. Let's see what you can do. Shit. In the sky.
Up in the sky. It's a whale. Why?
They'd be out here today.
I can like barely hear you.
Keep an eye on it. You get the salvage.
Like as soon as I look away from him, I can't hear him. It's like I have, I don't know, object permanence, lack of object permanence, but for hearing. Alright. Salvage is found by causing destruction. Collect salvage and trade it for upgrades. Don't mind if I fucking do, sir. Nobody's gonna break my stride. Nobody's gonna slow me down. Oh no. I've got to keep fucking moving. Destroy the lab in the tower. Okay, hold R1 to bring up the weapon selection. Okay. Alright. Alright, so... lab.
Hey, use your remote charges and take down that big structure right there.
Tower.
Right now you can set 2 charges before you detonate
Fuck.
them. Remember, you can swap weapons and still use the detonator. Come back to me if you
Oh,
run
that's
out of charges.
handy dandy. Come back to me if you are stupid, which I might be.
Hurry up, Alec.
Dan,
Ooh, you really need to think of it like Jenga.
You know what's going on. Alec, the Red Faction could really use a guy like you.
to do what?
Smash! Smash! You smash real good. You want to join our revolution? Hell yeah, I do.
The idiot
Ah,
are
okay.
wiping out towns. Alec, we need help.
Hey, you got me to a nuptial Earthside.
We're fighting. We don't resist, they'll take everything.
What if I was inside the structure? The absolute mad lad. I guess it's I guess it's destroyed. A lot more for good measure. There we go. You know, I was about to say I'm gonna put in a Jamba Juice, but then I realized I had not seen a Jamba Juice anywhere in a really long time. What the fuck happened to Jamba Juice? It's kind of a mystery, honestly. Someone listening and being like, "Oh, I got a Jamba Juice," but I mean, shut up. No, you don't. It's not true, because it doesn't support my point.
From
You
what?
see. From the sky whales. The sky whales are attacking. Oh, sky mosquitoes. Hell no.
You are under arrest. Surrender or we will open fire.
But what if I wasn't, though? Daniel, my brother. Do 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 do. Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling. Good night, sweet prince. No one should have to be on this shithole. Damn, I gotta tell you, chat, though, I'm looking at the stream, and it looks better than on my TV this time. It's usually the opposite. but I'm kind of surprised.
The Earth's Defense Force.
The colors are more normal. Maybe it's my TV.
The air. They built bases, checkpoints, watchtowers. The Liberators
Why was I wanted?
soon became an occupying force. And now they killed my brother.
And is that Nolan
So
North?
they take everything. For me, they already have.
They took my Danny boy. Now I must smash.
You guys afraid of a hammer?
Drop it, smartass.
Hey, what right have you got to trash
Your
my...
brother is Daniel Mason.
Yeah, he was. He's dead.
This trailer and its contents have been confiscated by the Earth Defense Force. We're placing you under arrest.
For what?
Don't play dumb with me, Miner. You're Red Faction.
Look, I just
Mach
shipped it.
Schnell.
You work fast. We found these detonators among your possessions.
I'm a mining engineer. I have a permit for those.
It just got revoked. Shoot him.
Oh, this really escalated quickly. Oh, well, and now I just joined the revolution. Just like that. It's as easy as one step. One step and one swing.
They'll hunt you from here to the ice caps. He said I was Red Faction. Like it or not, Mason, you are now.
Well, okay, but you guys better have dental. He's looking down like, we don't have dental. We're fighting for dental. Can't you understand that? We're fighting for dental for every person on this shithole dust ball of a horrible fucking planet. Why are we on Mars? Why are we on Mars? It's a horrible place. Well, tell Parker to hurry up.
Mason, my name is Sonia. I worked with your brother.
Lucky you.
I know this is a lot to take in, but you're going to have to trust us.
Is he a nice man?
Why?
Because you don't really have any other option. The commander thought you should have this field manual. It'll help you survive out here.
Welcome to the Red
Ah.
Faction. We don't have a welcome. We don't have welcome. We don't welcome. We don't welcome. We don't welcome. We don't.
Well, that tells me everything I need to know. Okay, upgrade table, very good. Okay, I'm a broke ass bitch and I can't do shit. Pick up salvage when in a vehicle. I don't really need that right now. I feel like I could use my resources more goodly. Okay, each sector contains missions that must be completed for liberation. Completing a mission also rewards you salvage. Okay. Apparently not very much, though. This mission giver. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this?
Mason, this is our former base of operations. We had to clear out
Okay.
before the EDF discovered. Now we just need to cover our tracks.
Yikes,
I know you're
ouch.
familiar with demolitions.
Enough with the high-pitched squealing. Okay, I know how to do a side mission. That's fair. I guess you can just drive stuff. Ooh, space trucking. Ooh, space trucking. Ah, yes, the rugged roads of Mars. So where are these places? Do I just go around smashing everything? Will the cops come? If I just... Smash. Smash it all! Unless I'm supposed to smash. I'm trapped! There's only one way out of this. Oh, fuck. Okay. Nice. Okay, so you do have a wanted level. As the alert level rises, the EDF becomes more hostile towards you. Escape from the EDF to return. Okay. Cannot save your progress if the alert level is orange or red. That sucks. Oh crap, I gotta get out of here. Reverse, reverse. Ah, shit. Do I even have a gun? Fuck. I guess I do. Die, die, die. I don't know if that's gonna do much for my wanted level, but I'll drive your car. Auto aim. Okay. Do I have to just lose them? How was that? Okay, great. Much salvage. Very good. Oh, this bitch up there. Okay. Okay, okay. So, I'm guessing I smash? Oh, colonists have taken up arms, join the Red Faction. Nice. Okay, you can recruit people. Ya loser. Yes. Get the smashing. Yeah. Let's go. I guess I'm good. If I'm green, I'm fine, right? Is that how that works? Viva la revolution! Oh, pff, Jesus Christ. Ooh, it's moaning. It's moaning and groaning. Oh. Showing EDF pro. Okay. Ah. So. It's a third-person Far Cry game. I see. Ah. Technology is evil. Shit. I'm in fuckland now. Oh my lord. Shit, who the fuck? Oh, that's your guy. Okay. I remember Rhodey running around. That part I do recall. Oh, ah. Interesting. Okay, so they gain control? What happens? What now? how far back is it gonna take me? Whoo, Lord. I am hungry. Chat. Hungry, hungry, hungry. What y'all eating for dinner? What's going on? What's tasty? What's good? Rail to drop. Okay. Try lowering the difficulty setting. I ain't no bitch. Okay. So when I hit the middle pad, okay. What it? Curl action. Ah, the town. It's the town of Parker. I see. Okay, then they're kind of turning me loose at this point, more or less. As long as I get to smash, which seems to be the only objective of this game, and I really appreciate that.
Got it. I'm on my way.
You.
Davies. Hugo Davies.
You joined the fucking revolution. You don't know your leader's name.
Deposit beneath our colony and tried to force us off the land. When we resisted, the EDF rolled in. It was a massacre.
I'm sorry.
I found
My
refugees
bad.
from other colonies and our numbers grew. Your brother joined us soon after.
It was always Dan's problem. Couldn't run from a fight.
If there were more like him, we'd have a chance of
That and
winning.
cocaine.
Maybe.
Oh.
You said this was gonna be easy.
Well, that was my fault. Don't blame it on this man. You just went in swinging. Damn. Now, I will say, I hope we find spiky spires, wild stuff like that on Mars one day. Some sort of a volcanic area. Stupid. This music is so like 50s sci-fi movie. You know what I mean? Okay.
Damn it. Mason, an EDF unit is heading your way. I'd hurry up
Nice.
and finish the job.
You said this was gonna be easy. All right, I'm at the
You
base.
said this was gonna be easy. Okay. Remote charges. I'm confused.
Whatever you can to bring her down.
Oh, you can. Alright, so you choose
Some fuel tanks be
what you want to refuel. Okay. It's not everything, that's fine. Ammo crate. Okay, I know what an ammo crate is.
charges to blow them up.
I gotta. Wait, that's water somehow. Fuck! Nice. I must cover my little tracks. Schnell, fast. Did I do it? Ah, fuck. The law caught up with me. I'd say it's pretty fucking destroyed, game. Thank you very much. There you go.
More EDF are on the way. Get back to the safe house.
The EDF are on their way, so I better get back to the safe house. Oh my god. Ah! I'm in your area. Ah! Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. And then I blow myself up. After that expertly executed maneuver, it would be a crime. Go, move, get the fuck out of my way. Ooh, a thing. A thing, a thing. A clue, a clue. Work the land, baby, work the land. Fuck, they are like after me and shit.
Good work.
Yeah, I'm fine, by the way.
You've done your brother proud.
You smashed real good. We are proud of you, son.
He had the same definition of easy as you.
Okay. Aight.
I know you're angry, but we don't have the luxury of playing it safe.
I'm angry.
Your brother understood that.
My brother understood
Don't
that.
believe.
Okay, now I can actually buy some things. Remote charge kill. What is this? It's 3 much. Okay. Bigger bang. Yes, I will.
Hope this helps.
Mason, we need your help. There's no
Mason.
handbook that will be useful.
I was elected to lead, not to read. Okay. Buildings marked in red, you say? Ah! I am here. I'm gonna get myself stuck. I know it. Sooner or later it's gonna happen. Oh my god. At least make me, you know, sticky. Oh, officer. Man, the cops are really on the prowl today.
What we did to piss off the EDF is working. They're about to hit us back if we need help. Get over it.
Okay.
Here.
Guerrilla action. But first, I need some Smash action. I've not played Super Smash Bros. In a long time, actually. Note to self. Big things that crush. Crush. Okay, there's an EDF building, what, over here? Alright, I better figure out what's up with those gorillas. Gorillas. Oh, shit. Chunga chunga chung 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 chunga chung chung chunga chunga chung chung. Ah. But not at the same... Move it, bitch! Ah, you can shoot at the same time. Very good. Chung diddy chung 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 diddy chung chung chung. Oh, okay. Murder to win. Too smooth Magoo, that's me. Okay, motherfuckers. Oh. Can't tell you motherfucking shits apart. I know Martian gravity is like lower, but that's kind of ridiculous. Good lord. Hey, what's up, Mari? How goes it? How goes it? Welcome to the stream, where I am fighting for truth, justice, and the Martian way. My co-host Mari here, joining us. Is there more? And they're all coming from the same direction, right? I mean, how do I kill them all? It just replenishes them. Hold on. Whew, so how you doing? How is you? How was your holiday? Beach? Hell yeah. Okay, where to now? Where to now? Wait, Earth news? I want to know the Earth news. Is it bad? Tell me, is it bad? What's the Earth news? Should I be upset? Oh, okay, it's finance. Ah, fuck. That's the future Earth news that I don't want to learn about. Smash my own base. It's very tempting. You should not be putting a lot of faith in Mason. That's a bad idea, and you will all come to regret that. Alright, what's this nonsense? Who are you, sir? Oh. Okay. I must free the hostages. I must free the hostages. I'm just gonna book it this entire game, I guess. Okay, how far am I though? For real though. Okay, it's not bad, and I can do some smashing on the way. My father never hugged me, and I'm taking it out on you. Ow. You can't shoot what you can't smash. Okay, so all of this crap down here. Okay. Or not? Or yes? Oh fuck, oh shit, oh god, oh god, oh fuck, wait, get me out of here, I regret everything. Okay, well I have a wanted level now. Did I free the hostages yet? Oh shit, I brought the big guns. Ah. Absolutely not. Absolutely my morale. I don't even know how to save in this game, come to think of it. Oh, please don't bring me back far. Dear Lord, please do not bring me back far. Again, I ask, why would anyone actively want to live on Mars if it's an option? Like, not if you're a pioneer or anything, just, you know, there's an established colony, and, you know, Bob's your uncle, you can head out there. Like, why would you actually want to? Can I at least fast travel? Alright. Copy, Roger. Over and out. You're a drone, man. Ugh. Sorry, I must commandeer you. Ow! That's fair. Yeah, but what if I just... Don't mind me, just a humble explosive salesman. And the one... Oh, shit! I'm going to smash and there's nothing you can do to stop me! Ow. Ow. Foiled by myself once again. Okay, guerrilla action. Okay. Very good. Okay, so I have to free the hostages in the foothills. Or something. Yeah, no? Where are they? Where are you keeping the hostages? No, really, where are you keeping the hostages, man? Gotta know. Okay. That's a pretty good good sized map. Damn. Okay, that's a really big map. Dust, the Badlands. Okay. We are in Parker, which sounds just so cute and wholesome. Really, it really does. You know, like oh shit! No, fuck, wait. I keep forgetting that I am not indestructible. Good God. Okay. High importance target. Bye. Bye. Get in, you fuck. Oh man, this is a game where it's like, yeah, get all 500 fucking feathers. I I don't think I will. And damn, these things are floaty. You really thought you were gonna roll and dodge your way out of that one? No. Beach Chacho. Okay. Is this one of them too? Yes, okay. Duly noted. Duly noted. Not only must you must smash literally every little piece, and then the pieces into pieces, and those pieces into fucking atoms. Which is, that's just a lot of smashing. That's kind of too much. It's too much of a good thing. Even when it comes to smashing. Okay. How do I get in this fucking... Ah. Brilliant. I've been working on and supporting the proletariat. Uber Eats, open up! Fuck, shit, fuck. Whoa. Bye. Crikey. Oh yeah, I smash real good. Oh yeah, real good. Fuck. wait, no. Oh no. Fucking rip, no. That was a good run, but oh. No. Okay. One good go. One last go. One last go, and then we switch over to Final Fantasy. Sorry, I've gotta eat something real quick. I am like nutrient deprived right now. Hold tight 1 sec. You know, back in my day, the Earth Defense Force fought giant bugs and spiders and UFOs and shit. I don't know what's going on these days, you damn hippies. Okay, where are we even? So I smashed those things. I smashed real good. Boy, do I wish there was some kind of fast travel situation going. Man, that's slow. That is slow, slow, slow. Alright, and off we go. Off we go, off we go. Fuck. We're going. We're technically, and off we go. And we go off. Crap, you can't flip these like in GTA? No, these are flipped, you're done. You might as well just... okay. That works too.
We need as many people as we can get at the Red Rock outpost. Scouts say the EDF is about to mount an assault on the area.
Tell me how to get there. I am on my way. Oh, fuck. Dude! It was clearly an accident. I have to open up fucking shooting. Sorry, revolutionaries, I'm about to bring a bunch of homies on me. Hell yeah. Ah, that's how... Whew, excuse me, that's how you use cover. Tray contextual. This is bullshit. Ah, I get it. It's stupid. Oh, fuck. We're being overrun! Die, fascist pigs! Kill my brother, prepare to die. Anyway, I need to commandeer your ammunition. Ah, fuck! Nah, I'm good. Nah, I'm good. Oh, that's funny as hell. Oh my god. Oh my god, the collateral damage in this game is so real. It's so real, it's unbelievable. Okay. I see how it is. I see how it is. So, tell me more about Parker. Can I save? I can save. Beautiful and wonderful. There you go. Saved. So good. So nice and so good. Alright. Okay. All right. Okay. That seems like a good like in my free time kind of game. You know what I mean? Just go around, smash a bit. You know, call it a day. Yeah, you know, it's a little bland to look at if I had to give an at a glance, an hour of gameplay quick review. But listen, how we're doing things here on the Comics Culture and Cosplay stream is we do an hour of a little something fun, a little something random, then an hour of some great story, something serialized, right, where we kind of keep at it until the game, the story is done. And this time around, we're looking at the Final Fantasy VII Remake. We are on part 3 currently, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to halt the stream, and I'm going to be right back with the second part of our program tonight. So thank you very much for joining us here, and I'll be right back.